Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do chapter 14, linear equations with one variable. So we are starting with exercise 14a. Page number 172, question 11. So here on the left hand side we have this expression, on the right hand side we have this expression, they are equal to each other. Now we can work this out and then work this out and then equate it, or we can bring all the x terms to one side and the constant to the other side. So let's try that. So here x by 3, we'll leave it here. Let's bring the other x term to the left hand side, that is 4x by 9. This is plus, so when it comes to this side it becomes minus. So that is minus 4x by 9. Then take the next x term, which is minus 2x by 3, bring it to the other side, it becomes plus 2x by 3. So now we have all the x terms on one side. And then here we have minus 2 1 by 2, which we can take to the other side. That will become plus 2 1 by 2. So plus 2 1 by 2. So this is now equal to x by 3 minus 4x by 9 plus 2x by 3 is equal to, now 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 by 2. Now here, since they're all unlike fractions, we can find the LCM of the denominator. And the LCM here is 9. So let's write 9 there. And here it is 3 3s are 9. So multiply this by 3. Here 9 1s are 9. So multiply by 1. 3 3s are 9. So multiply by 3. So here what do we have? X into 3 is 3x. Minus 4x into 1 is 4x. Plus 2x into 3 is 2 3s are 6, 6x. This is equal to 5 by 2. Now working out, simplifying this, 3x plus 6x is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. So that is 5x by 9 is equal to 5 by 2. So now we are going to leave only x this side. So when we leave x here, on the other side we have 5 by 9 and we are going to transpose, we have 5 by 2 this side. Now we are going to transpose this 5 by 9 to the other side. So since it's multiplication, when it goes to the other side it becomes division. So division divided by 5 by 9. Now let's find the value of x. X is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by the division changes to multiplication and the reciprocal. Now let's cancel 5 and 5. So here we have x is equal to 9 by 2. Now we can convert this to a mixed number. So this is 2 4s are 8, 1 by 2. 4 1 by 2 is our answer. We can also make it a decimal number. So we can convert it to a decimal number, that is dividing 9 by 2. 2 4s are 8 minus 1 and put a point, carry the point, 0, 10. 2 5s are 10. So what do we have there? 4.5. So our answer as a fraction is 4 1 by 2. As a decimal it is 4.5. Question 12. So let's work out the left hand side first here. So here what do we have on the left hand side? We have 4 into y plus 2 by 5. And this is equal to 7 plus 5y by 13. So let's work this out. So this is equal to 4 into y is 4y plus 4 into 2 is 8. 4y plus 8 by 5. Now let's work out the other side. So this is 7 by 1. So the LCM there will be 13. So 7 into 13. Why is it 7 into 13? Because 1 into 13 is 13. So we multiply 7 by 13 and that is 91. Plus, now here it's the same number, 13 into 1. So 5y into 1 is 5y. So now we can cross multiply. So cross multiply these two first. So what do we have? 13 into 4y plus 8 is equal to, now cross multiply these two, 5 into that. So that is 5 into 91 plus 5y. So now let's multiply this and see what we get. So here 13 into 4y. 13 into 4y is 52y plus 13. Now we multiply it by 8. 13 into 8. That is 104. So let's write 104 here. So here again 5 into 91 we can multiply, and that is 455 plus 5 fives are 25y. So let's get all the y's to one side. So here we have 52y. From the right hand side, let's bring it. So it becomes minus 25y. This is equal to, here we have 455. Let's bring 104 to this side. So it becomes minus 104. Now 52 minus 25. That is equal to 27. So 27y is equal to 351. When you subtract, you get 351. Now to find the value of y, y is equal to 351 divided by 27, because we are taking 27 from here to the other side. It becomes division. When you divide 351 by 27, you get 13. That means the value of y here is 13. Question 13. So first let's work out the subtraction and then we'll find the value of a. So here what do we have? We have a plus 5 by 6 minus a plus 1 by 9. So this we're going to work out first. And on this side we have a plus 3 by 4. So here, as you can see, the denominators are different. So we must find the LCM of 6 and 9. So let's find the LCM of 6 and 9. We can begin with 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Continue with 3, 2 and 1. Continue with 2, 1 and 1. So LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 2. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. So the LCM is 18. We'll use that here. So since the LCM is 18 here, let's look at the first one. 6 into 3 is 18. So we have to multiply this whole thing by 3. Here 9 into 2 is 18. So we must multiply this whole thing by 2. So let's begin. So here it is 3 into a and then 3 into 5. 3 into a is 3a. 3 into 5 is 15. So plus 15. Similarly, on the other side, minus 2 into a and minus 2 into 1. Minus 2 into a is minus 2a. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. And all this is equal to a plus 3 by 4. Now here, let's look at the like terms. We have 3a minus 2a. 3 minus 2 is 1, so it's simply a. Then we have 15 minus 2 is 13. So that is plus 13. And in the denominator, we have 18. And this is equal to a plus 3 by 4. Now let's cross multiply. We'll cross multiply these two first. That is, we're going to say 4 into a plus 13. This is equal to, cross multiply these two now. That is 18 into a plus 3. So this is equal to 4 into a first and then 4 into 13. 4 into a is 4a plus 13. 4 into 13 is 52. Here also first 18 into a and then 18 into 3. 18 into a is 18a and 18 into 3 is 54. So here we have 4a. Let's bring all the a's to one side. So leave 4a here. Bring 18a here. It becomes minus 18a. There we have 54. Take this 52 to the other side. It becomes minus 52. So now 4a minus 18a is minus 14a. And 54 minus 52 is 2. Now a alone, suppose you say a alone is 2 divided by minus 14, which is equal to, if you cancel, both are cancelling, we are able to cancel by 2. So here it becomes minus 1 by 7. So we have found the value of a is equal to minus 1 by 7. Question 14. Now here we have 2x minus 13 by 5 minus x minus 3 by 11. On the other side we have x minus 9 by 5 plus 1. Now we can transpose this term with x to the left hand side and leave this here. So this will be 2x minus 13 by 5 minus x minus 3 by 11. So here we have minus x minus 3 minus x minus 9 by 5. So we have brought it to the side, so it's become minus, and this is equal to 1. Now we can find the LCM of 5, 11 and 5 again, and that is 55. So the LCM is 55. The first one is 5 into 11. So we multiply this whole thing by 11. Next, so let's write that down. So that is 11 into 2x minus 13 minus, now here 11 fives are 55. So we have to multiply this by 5. So that is minus 5 into x minus 3. Then here we have minus, and 5 into 11 is 55. So we multiply this by 11. So that becomes minus 11 into x minus 9. And all this is equal to 1. So now let's simplify this. 11 into 2x and then 11 into minus 13. So 11 into 2x is 22x. 11 into 13 is 143, and that is minus. So minus 143. Now here minus 5 into x and minus 5 into minus 3. So minus 5 into x is minus 5x. Minus 5 into minus 3 is plus 15. Then here we go on to minus 11 into x and minus 11 into minus 9. That is minus 11x plus 99. All this by 55 is equal to 1. Now we can move this 55 to the other side. Because it's division here, when it goes there, it becomes multiplication. So this is, here we can also at the same time simplify the like terms. So we have 22x minus 5x minus 11x. Let's write that. 22x minus 5x minus 11x. So 22x minus 5 minus 5 minus 11 is minus 16x. 22 minus 16 is 6. So this is 6x. So let's write the x term here. So 6x we have written. So we've finished with the x terms. Now let's take the whole numbers. Minus 143 plus 15 plus 99. So let's write that. Minus 143 plus 15 plus 99. So let's add up these two first. So that becomes minus 143 plus 114. Okay, so let's write that here. So again minus 143 plus 114. Put the sign of the bigger number and subtract, you get 29. So the answer is minus 29. So 6x minus 29 is equal to 1 into 55 because we have transposed 55 to the other side. So now we're going to find the value of only 6x. So 6x is equal to, now on this side we have 1 into 55. 1 into 55 is 55. And then we're going to move this minus 29 to the other side. It becomes plus 29. So now 6x is equal to 55 plus 29 is 84. Now we can find the value of x. X is equal to 84 divided by 6. So here we can cancel 6 ones are 6. Here also 6 ones are 6, 24, 6 fours are 24. So x is equal to 14. We have found the value of x. X is equal to 14 and this is our answer. Question 15. Now here we have to simplify this and also simplify this on the other side. So let's begin with this. So here we have 6 into 6x first and 6 into minus 5. So 6 into 6x, 6 are 36, 36x, 6 into minus 5, that is minus 30. Let's go to the other side. Here it is minus 5 into 7x, minus 5 into minus 8. So that is minus 35x and plus 40. This is equal to, here also let's do the same thing, 12 into 4 and 12 into minus x. So 12 fours are 48 and minus 12x. And let's write plus 1. Now let's look at all the like terms. Here we have 36x minus 35x. 36 minus 35 is just 1. So that is x. Now let's look at minus 30 plus 40. Put the sign of the bigger number and subtract 40 minus 30 is 10. On this side we have 48 plus 1, that is 49. So we have minus 12x plus 49. Now let's get all the x terms to one side. So we have x here. On the right side we have minus 12x. Let's bring it here. It becomes plus 12x. Then here we have 49. Let's move 10 to the other side. It becomes minus 10. So x plus 12x is 13x. 49 minus 10 is 39. Now we can find the value of x. X is equal to 39 divided by 13. So 13 ones are 13, 13 threes are 39. So now we have found the value of x. X is equal to 3 by 1 or simply 3. So this is our answer. Question 16. Now here, as you can see clearly, this is multiplication of binomials on the left hand side. Here also multiplication of binomials. I hope all of you remember how to multiply binomials. Take the first term of the first expression and multiply it with the whole of the second expression. So this will be x into x plus 3. So I have taken only this. Now I'm taking minus 5. So minus 5 again into the whole of the second term, that is x plus 3. Now on the right side also, first I'm going to take only x, x into x plus 4, then take minus 7 into x plus 4. Now let's simplify this. So here again x into x is x square, x into 3 is 3x. Minus 5 into x is minus 5x, minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. X into x is x square, x into 4 is 4x. Minus 7 into x is minus 7x, minus 7 into 4 is minus 28. So here, let's look at the like terms. We only have this here on the left hand side and this on the right hand side. So let's work on that. So this is x square. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So that's minus 2x minus 15. On the right hand side, x square plus 4 minus 7 is minus 3. Minus 3x minus 28. Now let's bring all the x square terms to the side and the x terms to the left side and move the whole number to the right side. So x square, and from the right I'm bringing the x square, that is this x square I'm taking it to this side, so it becomes minus x square. So minus x square. Then on the left we have minus 2x. I'm going to bring minus 3x to this side, so it's going to become plus 3x. Now on the right hand side I have minus 28 as it is. Now I'm going to move this minus 15 to the right side. It will become plus 15. Plus 15. So here x square minus x square, this will get cancelled. Now this minus 2x plus 3x minus 2 plus 1 is 1 plus 3 is 1 and that is 1x. That is equal to minus 28 plus 15. That is minus 13. So we have found the value of x and x is minus 13. Question 17, x minus 5 the whole square minus x plus 2 the whole square is equal to minus 2. Now this we're going to use algebraic identities. We're going to use this as a minus b the whole square. So what is that algebraic identity? A minus b the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here we're going to take the same thing. We're going to take x minus 5 the whole square. That means a is x and b is 5. So let's write that. So in that case, a square will be x square and b square will be 5 square minus 2ab means 2 into a is x and b is 5. So this whole thing that we have here, we're going to write it down on the left hand side. So let's write that here now. So that is x square plus 5 square minus 2 into x into 5. So what have we done? We've only taken this, we've written the algebraic identity for that. Now we're going to take this and write the algebraic identity. So this is going to be a plus b the whole square. So let's write that a plus b the whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here we're going to take x plus 2 the whole square, which is given in the question. That means a is going to be x and b is going to be 2. So a square means x square, b square means 2 square, and then 2ab is 2 into x into b is 2. So let's write this whole thing here on the left hand side. So let's write that here. So that becomes minus, remember we have a minus sign in between, so we'll write minus and we'll put that whole thing in brackets. That is x square plus 2 square plus 2 into x into 2. So what have we done now? We've taken x minus 5 the whole square and written it down here. We have taken x plus 2 the whole square and written it here. All that should be equal to minus 2. All this is equal to minus 2. So now let's work on this. X square will remain the same. 5 square is 5 fives are 25 minus 2 into x into 5. 2 fives are 10. 10 into x is 10x. Now here let's go on to this. So here in brackets let's continue x square. 2 square is 2 2s are 4. Now this let's work on. 2 2s are 4. 4 into x is 4x plus 4x is equal to minus 2. So again here let's open brackets. X square plus 25 minus 10x minus x square minus 4 minus 4x is equal to minus 2. Now let's look at the like terms. We have x square and minus x square, which will get cancelled. Now what do we have? We have plus 25 and minus 4. So plus 25 and minus 4 is 25 minus 4 is 21. And then let's see what we have next. We have minus 10x and we have minus 4x. That is minus 10 minus 4 is minus 14. Minus 14x is equal to minus 2. Now let's keep only minus 14 here. Minus 14x. That means on the other side we have minus 2 and we're going to transpose this 21 to the other side. It becomes minus 21. So here what do we have? Minus 14x is equal to minus 23. So now let's find the value of x. X is equal to minus 23 divided by minus 14. The minus and the minus get cancelled. Let's divide 23 by 14. 14 ones are 14 and here let's subtract. So when you subtract 23 minus 14 is 9. So what do we have here? We have 1, 9 by 14. This is the value of x. The final answer is 1, 9 by 14. Question 18, let's do multiplication of these two binomials and then these two binomials. So let's begin by saying x into x plus 6. So x into x plus 6. Now take the next term, minus 1. Minus 1 into x plus 6. Similarly here on this side, now since we have a minus sign, let's put a bigger bracket. Let's take x into x minus 3. X into x minus 3 minus 2 next. So minus 2 into x minus 3. Close the bracket. Now all this is equal to 3. Now let's simplify this. X into x is x square. X into 6 is 6x. Minus 1 into x is minus 1x or minus x. Minus 1 into 6 is minus 6. Now here, let's continue with the brackets because we have a minus sign. Let's simplify what is inside. X into x is x square. X into minus 3 is minus 3x. Minus 2 into x, minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. Close the brackets and this is equal to 3. Now let's simplify. Here we have x square. Now here we have plus 6x minus x. So that is plus 5x minus 6 minus. Now let's open the brackets here. So here x square will now become minus x square plus 3x plus 2x minus 6. All this is equal to 3. Now let's work on the like terms. We have x square and minus x square which will get cancelled. Now let's take all the x terms. We have plus 5x plus 3x plus 2. So 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So that is equal to 10x. Now let's take the whole numbers. Here we have minus 6 and minus 6. Minus 6 minus 6 is minus 12. And this is equal to 3. So now let's work on 10x. 10x is equal to 3 plus 12. 10x is equal to 15. So now let's find the value of x alone. X is equal to 15 by 10. Cancel it by 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. That means x is equal to 3 by 2, which we can convert to 1 by 2. So we have found the value of x. X is equal to 1 by 2. This is our final answer. We will stop with this for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.